Hey there. I believe that we spend way too much time always trying to achieve the outcome, trying to get to the finish line, trying to finish what we started. And the reason I believe that that is a mistake is because in the process of getting there, we're missing out on all the things that we're learning, all the ways that we're growing, all the skills that we are incorporating, and all the knowledge that we're compiling. Why? Why are we doing that? Because there is a purpose for the outcome. And the process is the journey. And if we miss out on all of that good stuff, then the outcome is, it's almost useless. We can't really share it with others because we don't remember it, because all we wanted to do was to get to the outcome and we wanted it to be perfect. And so we changed this and we changed that instead of slowly but surely processing everything that we say. So I challenge you moving forward to spend more time on what you're learning and to spend more time on what you're gaining as you move towards the end. I challenge you to do that. And I also ask you to comment and give me, contact me and let me know what you think. And always remember, I am Rita, speaking to your spirit.